Hey guys, welcome back to the VIP Financial Ed channel. Recently released a video talking about how to never lose your wallet or billfold again. Make sure you check that out. In that video, I talked about rotating your credit cards. It's very important to understand that if you're not actively using every credit card provided to you by a credit card provider, then they can and often will close the credit card prematurely without asking you first. You gotta make sure that you're not allowing credit card accounts to be closed. It's never advantageous for you to have a credit card account closed, with the exception of unnecessary high annual fees. And even then, it's not an easy decision because every time you close a credit card account, it takes away from your overall availability, which then means that your utilization ratio is deteriorating. Any amount that you've used is going to count against you in a worse way. So it's very important that you're cycling through these credit card accounts. Once every 3 to 6 months is typically adequate, where you'll go out and you'll use each account for an item that you've already budgeted for. This includes things like a tank of gasoline or a trip to the grocery store, something that you're already going to be spending money for on a one-time basis. This is not typically putting recurring expenses on that credit card account, which you can do, but it's extremely important that with every credit card, you turn on your auto payments. Every account should be set up under auto pay so that there's never any risk of you actually accidentally letting a payment slip through the cracks. If that happens and it goes out longer than 30 days, it's obviously gonna have a negative impact against your overall credit rating, as well as your general lender worthiness. So with that in mind, make sure that you're using these accounts every 3 to 6 months. Instead of paying the account in full by the second month, I often would recommend paying most of that account down. So if you had a $50 tank of gasoline that you paid down to say just $20 and you were allowing them to charge you an interest on that recurring $20 balance, the revolving balance, not recurring rather, but revolving balance into the second month, then you become more valuable to that credit card issuer. And by doing that, you can actually go back again every 3 to 6 months and have a greater likelihood of success requesting a credit limit increase on that specific account. Just like accounts that are being closed have a negative impact on your credit rating, allowing accounts to extend more credit to you will have a positive overall impact on your credit. Now, one key factor to that follow-up technique: when you call to request a credit limit increase, it is very important that you are adamant that they do not pull your credit. Most credit card providers are going to want to have another hard inquiry added to your credit report so that they can determine that you're a strong candidate for having access to more money. So the question is, will you provide me a credit limit increase based on my current payment history with you so far? If they're unwilling to go off of your existing relationship with them and instead require a new hard inquiry and credit report, I will typically decline that credit limit increase and request again 3 to 6 months down the road. So that level of persistence has paid off tremendously for us to now deep 6 figures worth of credit card availability. That credit card availability is seldom used for anything other than what we're paying in full every single month, except for when we're using the technique of paying very, very small doses of interest costs every so often so that that specific credit card provider thinks more favorably of us. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this small collection of techniques. We'll look forward to seeing you on our next video. Hey, all right, guys, breaking news. This is a big announcement. You guys know what this box means? That's right. Another $25 Amazon gift card giveaway winner is being selected right now. Wanted to come at you in the middle of this video. Sorry for the interruption. You can also win this too. So if it's not this week, make sure you're checking the guidelines below in the description for contest details. But we're giving away these $25 gift cards to Amazon like they're hotcakes. Okay, so you can benefit too. Today, I couldn't be more thrilled to announce that this week's winner is Will Clark. Will, this is going out to you and your family. Boy, I was just talking to my team today about you. Once I found out you won, just how grateful we are to have people like you in our community. The feedback that Will has continued to provide is just so heartwarming. And we just know that we're working with such a genuinely great family. Will is a fairly recent new member to our coaching program. So I love that. I love being able to give back to you guys any way possible and just play a small role in your success. So Will, this is a direct coaching assignment. Take this $25 and go out there and buy something fun for yourself, okay? Doesn't have to be anything related to banking this time around, buddy. So we're going to give you total freedom to go out and have a great time. Guys, again, any one of you can win these $25 gift cards. We're giving them away all the way up until October, so there's plenty to give away. I hope the next one is for you. With that being said, I'm going to send you back to your regularly scheduled program. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Make it a great day today, and take care.